Leading steel, alloys and auto components manufacturer, Star Wire is committed to accelerating its decarbonization goals. Procuring power from Fourth Partner Energy's 4-megawatt rooftop solar plant in Faridabad is a significant step towards achieving this.
Each year when we negotiate with the customers, then we have to commit the green energy which we are producing and the decarbonization efforts which the company has undertaken. So in that direction, we explored the solar power, rooftop solar power through Fourth Partner. Right now, we are getting around 3.5 rupees of saving per unit. Fourth Partner team to be more professional and more focused when dealing with the customers. So that's the reason we opted for the Fourth Partner. The team was very forthcoming and clear and transparent on the issues which whatever concerns which we highlighted, our concerns were satisfactorily replied and taken care of by dealing with the PPA terms. And even the operation team was very quite professional and prompt and punctual in doing the execution of the work.
Join hands with Fourth Partner Energy to save costs for your business while saving the planet.